Hey guys, my name is Ayazmi Ashik and you know now my YouTube ID AS Fitbar. Yes, so I hope you all are fine, healthy and good from Corona and wash your hands, sanitize your hands every seconds. Okay, now मैं आपके लिए इतना दिल से ब्लॉग बनाता हूँ नॉलेजेबल का, तो प्लीज़ लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर ज़रूर करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें. कमेंट करिए जो आपका क्वेश्चन है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टॉपिक नाउ विदाउट टाइम पास. नाउ टुडेज न्यू टॉपिक इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड इनर प्लैनेट्स. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the solar system's inner planets. On the face of they are worlds apart, but underneath the surface it's a different story about. Yes. So now the inner planets are all from the same material about 4.6 million years ago. All are mix of rock and metal with interiors that are roughly divided into layers. The heavier metals are concentrated towards the center, while the lighter rock is on the top of each. This planet was bombarded by asteroids and comets early in the solar system's history, and each has been affected by volcanic activity too. Mercury's heavily created face still bears the scars of the early bombardment, where the surfaces of other worlds have changed over times. Okay. Mercury planet. You know, I've taught you about many planets. There is the one planet that is very closest to Sun called Mercury. Yes. So I'm telling about all the inner of all planets like Venus, Mercury, and Earth only. Okay. So let's start. Mercury. Smooth plains form the lava flows distant past. Okay, now see, this is the Mercury and you are saying where is the smooth plains. Okay, look, here is not, here is not, or here is not. So where is the smooth plains? Here. Okay, so this is the Mercury's smooth plains. Okay, so bright craters are the youngest. Now where are the youngest bright craters? Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. Here? No. So where is that? Here. This is the bright craters that are youngest. Now Venus. Venus is very lava planet. That one astronaut tried to walk on the Venus planet, then the Venus planet will kill in a second, in 0 second, no time, melted astronaut. Look, this is the Venus. This view of Venus surface was made of using radar to see through the planet's thick clouds. This view. Mad Moon is Venus' largest volcano. Now you are telling where is the Mad Moon's volcano? Look, this is the Venus planet. And this is the date. This is the Mad Moon is the biggest lava. Here is the biggest lava ever. Never ever ever. In the sun's glare, Mercury is the smallest of the solar system planets and lies closest to the sun. It is a lifeless world that has hardly changed in 3 billion years. The planet's entire surface is pitted with craters formed when asteroids was young. The craters range from small ball-shaped ones to huge caldera basin, which is nearly one-third width of the planet. Width. I'm not saying width. I'm saying width. Width. Yes. Mercury orbits the sun more quickly than any other planet, but it rotates slowly. For every 2 orbits it spins around. Just Mercury, sunrise to sunrise, days and nights. Coupled with Mercury, the greatest surface temperature range of all planets. In the daytime, the surface is hot enough to melt it, but its night is cold enough liquidly. Okay, now Mercury profile. Mercury profile. The Mercury's diameter is 487 and 9, means 3322% miles. Now the average. There is no average surfaces. Now temperature. 167 dot is cooling, means 333 miles cooling. One spin on axis. Look, the spin of axis is 58.6 Earth days, and the number of moons 0. Hotspots. The colors in this heat map of Mercury shows the planet's surface temperature. The red region, which is on the quarter, faces the sun and is hottest. Next, warmest are yellow areas. In green, the planet's polar regions. Blue are the coolest. Okay. Now, lava land. Venus is sometimes described as Earth's twin because it's almost the same size as our planet and has a similar internal structure, but the two worlds are very different. Any astronauts who try to walk on Venus will be killed in a second. Okay, you are thinking, how does astronaut will killed when he tried to walk on it? Okay, look, in the space there is a gravity. I'll tell you about tomorrow how orbits work, means gravity. A cannonball fly, it flew, it never lands. That is called gravity too. And the gravity makes the Venus very of the hottest planet in space. Sun is very hottest than Venus. Similar internal structure, but the two worlds that every different. Any astronaut who tried to walk on Venus will be killed in seconds. The surface is as hot as the inside of a pizza oven, and the inside of a pizza oven crushing air pressure is 90 times greater than on Earth. Venus's deadly surface is hidden from our view by thick cloud, but orbiting spacecraft have used radar to see through the gloom, and landers have touched down to take photos. Venus is a world of volcanoes. Many thought will be active, and its surface is littered with broken rock from sulfided lava. It is permanently overcast with a silky yellowish light filtering through the cloud than any other planet. So it also spins in opposite direction clockwise to every planet apart from Uranus. Yes, guys, Uranus. I'll tell you about Uranus tomorrow. That it crashed with the smallest world. Okay. Now Venus profile. Diameters. 12.104 km means 7.521 miles. Average surface is not anymore. Temperature is 464. Cooling means 867 F means hot. Now the number of moon 0. Greenhouse effect. Venus is a hot of because process called the greenhouse effect. The sun heat passes through the atmosphere and warms the ground, which is the re-emits warmth. The 3 emitted warmth is trapped by atmosphere much as glass traps heat in a greenhouse. Sunlight. Look, this is the Venus and this is very far sun. This is the very far sun. Okay. Now this is the ground. The sunlight heat this ground. Now this heat from ground is trapped by atmosphere here. Atmosphere is about 80 kilometers, 50 miles deep here. Okay. So I've taught you about what? Look, the sun also heats and the gravity also heats the Venus planet. So it is very hot. Living Earth. Okay, living Earth. Living, living, EATRH, Earth. Third out from the sun, Earth is the largest of the inner planets. It is only the one planet with liquid water flowing freely in the surfaces, and it's only one planet in universe known as sustains life. Earth's surface consists of the vast oceans. 71% consists of land and 2 polar ice caps, all supported by a thin rocky crust. The crust is broken into 7 huge segments and many smaller ones called tectonic plates. These giant slabs of rock creep slowly over Earth's surface, pushed by over Earth's surface churning movements in the softer hot rock that fills almost Earth's interior. As tectonic plates move by bump into each other and grind past of the another, generating immense forces that thrust up mountain ranges, unleash volcanic eruptions and trigger earthquakes. These powerful forces continually change Earth's appearance, as do the actions of wind, water, and the planet's 7 billion years. Guys, this is too long. Okay, Now Earth, I am telling now Earth's inner. Okay, this is Earth. Now you are saying, where is the liquid bottle? Water covers most of the Earth. This is the most of the liquid water, means it is the home of the liquid water. Okay. Now another one, mass. Now look, Sun has a core, then Mars has a core too. The Mars has the ice cap on the top. Like Earth, Mars has a crust made of solid rock here. Like all inner planets, Mars has a core made of red hot iron. Look here, core. This is the core. This is the mass. Okay, Mars planet is over. Now another one. Earth profile diameters to 12.756 kilometers, means 7.926 miles. Average surface is no. Number of moons is 1. One orbits sun 365.3 days. One spin axis 23.9 hours. Temperature 15% cooling, means 59% F, means hot. Now the red planet, the second smallest planet in the solar system, mass is half size of Earth, is sometimes called the red planet because of the rusty coloring. A vast canyon called Valles Marineris stretches a quarter of the way around. Is this quarter of the way around this frozen desert would it formed long ago when the crust of the young planet split open. Ellipsosphere and dusty plains strewn with boulders, and giant extinct volcanoes including Olympus moons. The solar system is the largest volcano. Mars profile diameters 6.702 kilometers, means 4.220 miles. Okay, so the average surface no. Number of moons are 2, means mass. When the mass in the night, there will be 2 moons. Okay, like in the Earth there is night, so it is 1 moon, and the Mars is night when it will be 2 moons. One orbit of the sun 687 days of the sun. Earth days, sorry. One spin on axis 24.6 hours. Temperature 63% cooling and 81% F, means hot. Okay guys, so today's topic is over. Take care, bye, and be knowledgeable from my channel. Watch my channel, subscribe, like and share, and press the bell icon to motivate me. Okay, so see you on next time, and tomorrow's topic is the outer planets. Okay, so I will meet you tomorrow. Bye.